Hi, let's start with using Leads function. To open the Leads menu, log into the Telagus and click on a Leads from the left menu bar to see all Leads options. We will go through all the Leads options one by one. Let's start with the first option, All Leads. Click on All Leads and the page will be displayed like this. These are the action buttons for the leads. Clicking on Import Leads button will allow you to import single or multiple external leads from your external records. Telagus will allow you to upload an Excel file to import all your external leads on single time. You will need to simply download the sample file from here. Just open the file and fill in all the details you have. Save the file and upload it to the Telagus by clicking this box and selecting the file, or simply drag and drop the file here. There are two options for the file. 1. You can skip the first row when importing the leads. That means you can ignore the headers of the file to prevent importing wrong data into the leads. 2. Remove duplicates. This will automatically detect the duplicates from the file and remove it while uploading to Telagus, so you will get the unique leads uploaded to Telagus. So, you can check the options as per your requirement and click on Upload button to upload the file. After upload, you need to map the system fields with the file data, so on the screen, select field name whatever are available in the file and set the column data accordingly. Example for field name, first name. Select column data, first_name, and so on for other fields. Once all the available fields mapping is done, scroll up and click on Import CSV button to upload the data into the system. A successful message will be displayed upon successful import of the data, and page will be redirected to All Leads page, and will start displaying the records which are imported from the file.